What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily. So while a lot of things in the tech world tend to be the same year after year, I'm looking at you, Pixel 10a, robot vacuums seem to change in a big way with every new model. And this new dreamy X60 Max Ultra Complete is no exception. Now, I've actually tried out the last two flagship robot vacuums from Dreame, their X40 Ultra in 2024 and the X50 Ultra last year. And while those were admittedly very good and probably perfectly fine even this year if you wanted either one, their new X60 Max Ultra Complete improves on all the core cleaning features yet again, while also adding some new enhancements and worthwhile upgrades that once again bring this right to the top of the robot vacuum hierarchy. If you're somehow unfamiliar with Dreame, they have quickly become a household name, not just in the robot vacuum space, but with their upright vacuums and mops, as well as a wide lineup of other at-home tech products. And I saw a lot of this stuff firsthand at CES last month. They have something smart for just about every aspect of your home now. This new X60 Max Ultra Complete has one main objective for your home. That is to keep every area of your floor and carpet sparkly clean. It's once again a full-featured smart robot vacuum and mop combo. And as far as what's new and what's changed, well, there's a lot. It's now the thinnest robot vacuum and still retains its auto-retracting sensor module. It proactively detects dirt, crumbs, and stains, both dry and wet, so that nothing gets missed. It can deliver up to 35,000 pascals of suction power, picking up both small hidden dust and large chunks of debris. It can still climb, now better than ever, over thresholds, transitions, and other obstacles. And its all-new AI-enhanced OmniSight system allows it to see more, identify objects that come across its path, and adjust on the fly with a response time of just 1/10 of a second. And those are just some of the upgrades and improvements to this new X60. Dreame was kind enough to send this over just before the official launch and sponsored this video so I could test everything out. And we're going to do a deep dive here so you can see everything in action. But if you want to learn a little more or potentially pick this up for yourself, I'll leave a link to Dreame's website down below in the video description. There's also a promo code for the launch right now, so you can save a bit of money too. Now, right off the bat, I love the slight redesign here with the all-in-one power dock. This is the nicest looking robot vacuum setup I've had yet, and selfishly, this silver and white aesthetic especially matches my home perfectly. It almost looks like it's supposed to be out in the open like this. I also love the gold accents up and down the sides there, but if this is too sterile looking for you, Dreame sells it in black too. The base station still houses all your familiar accoutrements. There's a debris bag behind the panel alongside a dual cleaning solution container. One side is for the multi-surface floor solution and the other is for the pet odor solution, and you get a couple of these cleaning solutions inside the box. Up at the top, taking up most of the space, are the clean and dirty water tanks that are associated with its mopping features. More on that in a moment, but I think all of this should be pretty familiar if you've had any of Dreame's other vacuum and mop robots. As for the robot itself, again, it looks fairly familiar, but there are a number of changes and improvements here to point out. At just 7.95 centimeters, this is the thinnest robot vacuum, and paired with its retractable DTOF sensor module, this new X60 can slide under more areas and ensure a comprehensive clean even in the places you can't reach. It's thin enough to cruise under cabinet overhangs, it slides under shelves, and battles your under-the-bed monsters, or dust bunnies. Let's be honest, I am literally never going to vacuum or clean under my bed, so I'm glad this little guy can do that for me. And thanks to its bright LED light and enhanced AI cameras, it's just as smart even with its sensor module tucked away. And it lowers and raises automatically, by the way, detecting those low overhangs or furniture, marking them on your home map, and popping back up with that sensor when it's all done in that area. And don't worry, Dreame says that sensor can poke up and down for 30,000 cycles, so it should last a lifetime. When it comes to navigation, Dreame has improved almost every element on this new X60 so that it can not only avoid more obstacles, but identify the dirt and stains it's supposed to be going after. The new dual camera setup up front, which is two 120-degree wide-angle high-precision AI cameras called OmniSight, can now identify more objects, see bumps and transitions, manage the occasional human or pet interaction, and even adjust instantly in real time to things that might fall in its path. In addition, the X X60 cruises around with autonomous driving level algorithms to ensure the best possible navigation during cleaning tasks and when making the journey back to its base station. This all makes the X60 faster both in total cleaning time and with decision making, speeding up overall navigation by up to 200%. Dreame's app that pairs with their robot vacuum and mops is still the best in the industry in my opinion, and your home map will show not just rooms and floor types, but more than 280 different objects and obstacles that are identified by the X60 itself. With more objects and obstacles identified, it can further tailor its cleaning approach without compromising coverage or messing up what it sees. In fact, I found this new X60 almost never actually bumps into things, even though it still has a bumper sensor, and instead just carefully cleans the edges and around objects with impressive precision. When it comes across a threshold, transition, or small step, the X60 turns into a transformer of sorts thanks to its FlexiAdapt obstacle climbing system. The big thick rubber wheels are already enough to push it across almost any floor type, but when it identifies a crossable threshold, it will literally raise itself up and either hurdle itself over or synchronize its arms and sort of swivel on up or over it. Obviously, I don't always have a book barricade on my floor. This is just for the demonstration, but for some furniture or floor transitions, 4.5 centimeter steps, and other low thresholds, this robot vacuum won't be stopped. While all this object IDing is great, the most important set of features obviously are its cleaning features, and Dreame improved a ton here too. Taking a look underneath, Dreame has upgraded its Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush with a thicker rubber brush head and a retractable pressure plate. Combined with up to 35,000 pascals of suction power, this vacuum can suck up crumbs, both big and small, on any surface, sand and other small dust trapped within the carpet, and even paper scraps or hair without getting tangled up. You can see the carpet lines running up and down here. That's a telltale sign that this thing is not just vacuuming, but literally combing through the carpet. The X60 also retains its extendable rotating side brush to literally sweep up those large particles and debris into the vacuum chamber and ensure it reaches every corner and edge of your home. All the debris it collects is stored temporarily in the onboard bin here, and when it's finished with its task, it'll of course get dumped out into the power dock station bag. As a mop, the X60's dual rotating mop pads have now been engineered to tilt up and down within a 10-degree range and extend in and out. They're essentially omnidirectional now, and with the additional downward pressure, you can be sure that wet messes or dried-on stains are taken care of. The mop pads rotate at up to 230 RPMs when it detects difficult-to-clean stains, and dirt detection is one more standout feature for this X60 as well. As it cruises around your home, it can identify crummy areas, clumps of hair, or wet messes on your tile floor. When it does, it will analyze the situation, adjust its cleaning procedure automatically, and take special care to ensure that particular mess is cleaned. Most messes, whether in vacuum or mop mode, can be handled in just one pass, but if it detects a particularly messy situation, the X60 can perform multiple passes, and it won't stop until the area is sparkly clean. When the X60 has finished all its cleaning tasks, it'll cruise back to that all-in-one power dock, and it'll now be time to clean itself. It'll automatically empty its onboard debris container, and if it mopped, the mop pads will also get a comprehensive clean. The ThermoHub self-cleaning system rinses the mop pads with water heated up to 100 degrees Celsius. The mop pads rotate inside the power dock for a thorough scrub, removing dirt, oil, stains, and anything else it may have mopped up, and the mop pads will then be automatically dried and prepared for the next cleaning cycle. Just like the previous robot vacuum and mop combos, the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete can be customized within the app to ensure all your cleaning needs are met for your specific home. You can adjust the vacuum suction power, cleaning path, the rooms and areas that get cleaned and their frequency, the mop settings, and a whole lot more. Dreame says that you can enjoy up to 100 days of hands-free cleaning with the auto-emptying power dock, and it's nice to know you'll get a comprehensive clean without much thought or effort. For me personally, the Dreame X60's upgraded OmniSight system has been the real game changer. I notice every day how much smarter and more precise the vacuum is as it encounters all the random things I leave behind. Shoes, charging cables, pillows that get knocked on the floor, or random boxes or bags that I forget about. It's just a lot more decisive in the moment. There's no bumping or pushing things around accidentally. It's certainly the smartest robot vacuum I've tried yet, and coupled with the cleaning enhancements too, I can confidently say that the new dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete stands alone as the best, most capable, and feature-packed robot vacuum and mop combo for 2026. Like I mentioned already, if you want to learn more about the new X60 or pick one up for your own home, I'll leave a link to Dreame's website down below in the video description. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, or at least found it helpful. Let me know what you think of the new dreame X60 in the comments down below. Do you need this for your own home? Also, be sure to follow Tech Daily on Twitter and subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.